Good morning, students. आज हम स्टार्ट करेगा सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट्स. First point, what is sexual reproduction? The biological process in which the living organisms involving two gametes. Two gametes meaning male gamete and female gamete. These are the opposite sex. The process is known as sexual reproduction, and it occurs in flowering plants. Sexual reproduction ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ flowering plant show କରୁଛି. Next point ଅଛି all flowering plants show sexual reproduction. ଯେତିକି flowering plants ଅଛି ସମସ୍ତେ sexual reproduction show କରନ୍ତି. Next point, in flowering plants all the reproductive organs are present. Reproductive organs. Okay, flowering plant रे reproductive organs ସବୁ present. Proceed ହେଇପାରିବ. ଏଟା ଯୋଉ ବେସିକ ଥିଲା. ନେକ୍ସଟ ଟପିକ ଆମେ ପଢିବା ପାୱାର ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ବିଷୟରେ ଡିଟେଲ୍ସ ପଢିବା. फ्लावर कौन? फ्लावर इज ए फैसिनेटिंग ऑर्गन. फैसिनेटिंग ର मीनिंग कौन? एट्रैक्टिव. ओके, एट्रैक्टिंग बहुत सुंदर फ्लावर और ब्यूटीफुल. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट, इट इज द मॉडिफाइड सूट. सूट ର मीनिंग तुम जानि छ. सूट ର मीनिंग होचे द पार्ट ऑफ plant which are present above the soil. ऊपर जोड़ा थी उसका सूट बोलते हैं modified सूट. ओके, modified सूट. नेक्स्ट, the flower usually develops in the stem. Okay, the branch no it is stem रे flower. Third is the flower structure of flower. Flower structure विषय details पढ़िए. Of flower. A typical flower consists of three parts. First part is the pedicel. If we consider this is the structure of a flower, what is the pedicel? Pedicel meaning on pedicel is the stalk. That's the pedicel. Okay, that's it. Pedicel. Pedicel is the stalk-like structure. Bulging permanent it fully given. Upper to the pedicel, vessel part is there, that is thalamus. Next is the thorax. floral lobe part of the flower is present in the arrangement of flower parts or arrangement of floral parts in the thalamus is known as floral lobe. And the floral lobe is four types. In details we told it. First, pedicel. If a flower has pedicel, then it is known as pedicellate. If the flower don't have any pedicel, then it is known as okay. So pedicel is the most pedicellate flower को है pedicel next is the thalamus. Thalamus is the upper part to the pedicel. It is the sun part. It is also known as receptacle. Receptacle. Last is floral lobe. Flower appendages and flower parts, floral parts in thalamus is known as floral lobe. And there are four types of floral lobe. The presence of floral lobe, next I want to point which is the presence of all floral lobe in a flower is complete flower. Complete flower meaning on the four types floral lobe. Present four types of floral lobe. If one is absent, put absent incomplete flower. Incomplete flower. Next, हम discussion कर रहे हैं floral lobe. Floral lobe. देखो, basically floral lobes are two types. Non-essential floral lobes are two types, that is calyx and corolla. Essential floral lobes are four types, that's two types. Non-essential meaning what? दरकार नहीं, जरूरी नहीं. Essential meaning sexual reproduction and flowering plants. Sexual reproduction में everything organism needs. So there are okay. First one calyx, second third embryos, fourth gynecium. The calyx, first one calyx, and the individual member is sepal. Calyx का गुटे member को sepal, corolla का गुटे member को petal को. Each and every member, each member is known as stamen. Each member of gynecium is capital. Third है तो diagram में तुम देखो. First है इसका calyx, sepal. Sepal और नेक्स्ट है corolla. ऊपर जो पत्र काटा जाता है देखो पैटर्न पत्र काटा जाओ पैटर्न छोटे ग्रीन कलर लेवल स्ट्रक्चर पे कुछ सर्विस साल तब फ्लैट से स्टेमन में लेकर ये जो साइड है स्टॉक होड़े स्टेमन लेकर सिंगल मेंबर स्टेमन और ग्रुप हुआ में नेक्स्ट parts of the stamen and pistil. But stamen are compound part. Stamen contains only two parts. Stamen two part होते हैं. Those anther और those filament. Okay. Pistil contains three parts. Upper is stigma. Middle is longer slender-like structure style. The second part is oval. Just details are discussed. Next topic of the and unisexual flower. First, androecium. If androecium and gynecium both are present in a flower, then it is known as the bisexual flower. If any one is absent or one is present, that is, if only gynecium is present or only androecium is present, then it is known as unisexual flower. So, androecium gynecium these are the things that are stamen of with pistil मध्ये असतो नोड ऑफ bisexual. Unisexual forming only one sex organism. Floral one. Topic discussion essential or endocrine organism is the main topic. So first discussion करेंगे endocrine single member structure of first point. Stamen is consists of two parts. Second is filament. Okay. Stamen contains two parts, anther and filament. Structure of anther. Anther structure विषय details पढ़ेगा. Anther is bilobular structure. Diagram. Stamen structure. Stamen contains two parts. ଗୋଟେ କହୁଛି ओके ଗୋଟେ ପାର୍ଟ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରକ୍ଚର ଟା ମୁଁ ବୁଝେଇଲି ଗୋଟେ ଲେୟର ବିଷୟରେ ଆମେ ଡିସ୍କସନ କରିବା ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ଲେୟର ଇଜ epidermis the outermost layer of anther is epidermis which may contain below the epidermis second layer is endothelium after the second wall layer of endothelium the last layer third layer is middle layer below the endothelium layer and the last one is tapetum is a wall layer which provides nutrition to the developing pollen grains. तो anther भीतर कौन है four layers थी inside the tapetum sporogenous tissues are sporogenous tissue the sporogenous tissue develop होगी pollen grain develop Next up, what you have microsporogenesis. Microsporogenesis is a details problem. The microsporogenesis is the anther develops sporogenous tissue develops in microspore mother MMC. Microspore mother cell. যেতବେଳେ আনফারটা ডেভেলপ হলো ডায়াগ্রাম দেখো সাপোজ the structure of one microsporangium এরকম আমি মাইক্রোস্পোরাঞ্জিয়াম মধ্যে কই করি হলো তো মাইক্রোস্পোরাঞ্জিয়াম ভিতরে যেগুলো স্পোরোজেনিয়াস টিস্যু ছিল ডেভেলপিং কোন ফর্মেশন হলো মাইক্রোস্পোর মদার সেল the process of formation of microspore from microspore mother cell मतलब development of microspore from is called microsporogenesis मतलब is called microsporogenesis microspore mother cell microspore develop sporogenesis कहते in the microspore कौन microspores further develop into pollen grains inside the pollen grains male gametes are there sexual reproduction by male gamete pollen grains into us so pollen grains are developed inside the microspore sporogenous tissue vitru in microspore develop each and every cell act as a microspore mother cell microspores are developed so after microspores are developed the microspores they will form the pollen grains विषय details follow pollen grains विषय details पढ़िबा बे pollen grains are the mother cell of male gametophyte okay तो male gametophyte का mother cell होचे pollen grain male gametophyte development of pollen grain male gametophytes are formed next point pollen grains are spherical 20 to 25 micrometer okay 20 to 25 micrometer next point pollen grain contains two layers that is outer exam and inner intine okay the two layers that is outer exam and inner intine next point the outer exam layer contains sporopollen sporopollen is substance which is present in the outer side of the pollen grain sporopollen का काम कौन preservation of pollen grain preservation संरक्षण संरक्षण preserve the pollen grain and it in insect pollinated plants the exam contains the pollen kit the plant is insect pollinated exam pollen kit which is sticky nature yellowish substance is present sticky माने पखाड़िया थी the yellow color substance pollen kit they are काम कौन no pollen kit attract the insect तो pollen kit का काम कौन ये insect मानो को the two layers हमें पढ़ी थी intine is the inner wall which is consist of cellulose and pectin. Discussion करेंगे पढ़ेगा जो कि very very important development of male gametophyte. First male gametophyte development meaning that development of male gamete from pollen grain. Pollen grain ରୁ ଯେତେବେଳେ male gamete development ହେବ ସେ process ଟାକୁ male gametophyte development of male gametophyte ଆମେ କହୁଛେ. Next point, the development of male gametophyte starts in pollen cell, complete in carpel. More pollen cell start of development two types. Pre-pollination development starts in pollen cycle of pre-pollination. After pollination, the pollen grains are set on the stigma. After that, stigma below the stigma, style is present in which complete the development of male gametophyte. Pre-pollination development, post-pollination development. This is another discussion. First was the pre-pollination development. Pre-pollination development, first point, the haploid pollen grain undergo mitosis and form two unequal sized cells. The pre-pollination development is known as pollen grain undergo mitosis, two unequal sized cells, they are on the separate cell. And the two unequal cells are larger vegetative cell, मतलब broader vegetative cell, and the smaller is generative cell. Larger vegetative cell, smaller generative cell. The vegetative cell forms tube nucleus. Vegetative cell का कौन theory होगा? Tube nucleus. And from the generative cell, it forms two male gametes. Next, pollen grains come out through the neuropore called stomium. Pollen grains are the anther pollen grains develop with छोटे स्पोर्स स्मॉल पोर्स स्पोर्स जब फॉर्म होते हैं स्टोमियम. ओके, थर्ड वाज प्री पोलिनेशन डेवलपमेंट. Post pollination development, mature pollen grain set in two cell stage. जितना pollen grain रे दुईटा cell थिलो से time रे पड़ fall in the stigma रे. And you know stigma is the landing platform for pollen grains. The pollen grains absorb water, sugar, nutrients from the surrounding and it swells up. Observe करिए fully. Next, intine comes out of the pollen tube from tube nucleus. Inside the intine pollen grain cross it forms the tube nucleus. Pollen tube move towards the ovule by absorbing calcium borate. Intine cross the pollen tube formation move towards the ovule. Okay, it moves towards the ovule by absorbing calcium borate and penetrate its path in next is the generative nucleus. The generative nucleus form two haploid male gametes. Small size generative cell or generative nucleus formed by two male gametes. The terminate pollen grain is known as the male gametophyte. Pollen tube formation. These structures is known as male gametophyte. Okay. A pollen grain with pollen tube carrying male gamete represent the mature male gametophyte. So male gametophyte का meaning कौन? एक pollen grain with pollen tube. Pollen grain is just the pollen tube which carry the two male gametes. This structure is known as the mature male gametophyte. So these are the post pollination development. मन रखो development of pollen grain, development of male gametophyte, pre-pollination development and post-pollination development. Okay, next time is time and विषय पढ़ले टाइम पिस्टल के विषय डिटेल्स हमें पढ़िबा. Okay, next topic. First time पढ़िले gynoecium कोन. Individual member of gynoecium is known as pistil or carpel, and these are the male, these are the female reproductive. तो gynoecium नो सिंगल मेंबर को कौन कहौ छै? Pistil कहौ छै और carpel भी कहौ छै, and the carpel pistils are the female reproductive. डिटेल्स पढ़िबा pistil और carpel रो डेवलपमेंट. If single carpel is there in a flower, then it is known as monocarpel. Mono meaning which is single. If more than one carpel is there in a flower, then it is known as multicarpel. Hello, monocarpel meaning which is single carpel, multicarpel meaning which is more than one carpel. Next point, multicarpel condition में two the part of if the carpels are fused माने जोड़ी ही थी fused रे सेटा कहउछला में thin carpels. If the in multicarpel case, if the carpels are free, then it is known as apocarpel. Next topic, each pistil contains three parts. Okay, already in first year पढ़ी छे. Each pistil contains three parts. The parts are stigma, style and ovary. Very important. હું डायग्राम करके देखो छे. It is a structure of pistil. The upper part is stigma, which is the landing platform for the pollen grains. आप ऊपर पढ़ले pollen grains ऐसे के ऊपर पढ़ते. Stigma is the landing platform for pollen grains. Next part is style. Okay, style is the longer slender part. The last part is ovary. Ovary is basal bulging part. Inside the ovary, ovarian cavity is present. Nucleus is also said to the ovarian cavity. Inside the ovarian cavity, ovules are present inside ovary. So these are the structure about pistil. मेगास्पोरेंजियम और ओव्यूल को हमें मेगास्पोरेंजियम मध्ये कहा जातो टेक्निकली. मेगास्पोरेंजियम विषय ओव्यूल विषय डिटेल डिस्कशन करू. मेगास्पोरेंजियम, okay, it is technically known as ovule. मेगास्पोरेंजियम को ओव्यूल मध्ये. Ovules are arranged from placenta present in locule or ovarian cavity. Ovarian cavity ଭିତରେ suppose this is ovarian cavity. Inside ovarian cavity placenta is there from which are arised. Next one, ovules is centrally body called nucleus. Ovule ଭିତରେ centrally nucleus solid हुआ Ovule contains majorly three parts, that is integument, nucleus, embryo cell. Very important. कौन integument, nucleus, embryo cell. First point is integument. Integument कौन? These are the protecting layers which are present outside the ovule. Ovule रो बाहर थिबो. And there are two types of integument. That is outer integument and inner integument. Okay. The integument दी प्रकार outer integument, inner integument. Integument रो main function कौन? Integument रो main function होचे to protect the ovule. Next part is nucleus. Nucleus is the centrally placed diploid tissue. Nucleus meaning कौन? Tissue. Which provide the nourishment to the developing ovule. Ovule to nourishment, food production, food producing. Next part is embryo cell. Embryo cell is very important. From the diploid mass of cell, one divide and again divide into form it absorbs some nutrients, moisture from the surrounding. It becomes embryo cell. A diploid mass of nucleus through gotiya cell embryo cell formation. And the embryo cell diagram I will become. Inside the ovule, embryo cell is present. It is very important where fertilization. Okay, the embryo cell is 7-celled, 8-nucleated. 7-celled, 8-nucleated. या meaning होचे 7टी सेल আছে न्यूक्लियस केमिति the embryo cell has upper germinal and the microphyllum. After the development of embryo cell, I mean details body work. After the development of embryo cell, 8 cells are there. 4 cells goes towards the gland. Other 4 cells goes towards microphyllum. From the 4 cells, the upper and below, one cell move towards the center. Each of one cell move towards, and in center the 2 cells fuse, which is known as secondary nucleus or polar nuclei. ये polar nuclei कहीं कहते because गोटे ये ऊपर पोल तल दीटा पोल रु आस्ते गोटे polar nuclei और secondary nucleus होके which is fused. ऊपर 3टा सेल तल 3टा सेल fuse ही गोटे सेल है. इवन 7 सेल 8 nucleated केमिति होला तो 3टा सेल আছে तो 3टा nucleus ऊपर 3टा আছে 3टा nucleus sorry मध्य 2टा nucleus 3 3 6 plus 2 8. Okay, 7 third 8 nucleated. तो इस सेल को अगर ना कौन upper thalamid gland contains the 3 cells are known as antipodal. Okay, ऊपर जो सेल्स हैं सेटा को antipodal cells बोलते हैं. थर्ड in the cell, these are known as apparatus. Okay, the 3 cells are known as egg apparatus. In egg apparatus, below 2 cells are synergid and upper one cell is egg cell. तले जो दीटा सेल है सेटा को synergid बोली कहा है. The synergid contains special cellular thickening को होते filiform apparatus. What is the function of filiform apparatus, which is very important entrance question. The function of Philippon apparatus is to guide the pollen tube inside the ovule or embryo cell. Embryo cell भितर को entry करने में Philippon apparatus. First structure about embryo cell. Okay. तो megasporangium research details पढ़िले. Megasporogenesis. Megasporogenesis का meaning कौन? The development of megaspore from the megaspore mother cell is known as megasporogenesis. Megaspore mother cell. Okay, megaspore mother cell और megaspore development है. Ovules. Next point. Ovules generally form single megaspore in microphylum region. And the single megaspore divides into 4 megaspores. Out of which one megaspore remains functional and three remains destroyed. Okay. तो चारिटा मेगास्पोर भितर गोटे रिमेन फंक्शनल गोटे फंक्शनल हो थोड़ी गमे डेवलपमेंट ऑफ देन destroyed or degenerate नष्ट हो तो degenerate होले को ओके स्टूडेंट आज क्लास एतिकी जदि किसी डाउट थाए ताले व्हाट्सएप रे कांटेक्ट करो अदरवाइज फोन नंबर दिया है कांटेक्ट करो नल कमेंट सेक्शन में लिखो।